Welcome to our English conversation video. Today, we'll listen to a simple conversation between two college students, Emma and Lily, as they talk about their daily lives. Let's get started. Emma: Hi Lily, how are you? Lily: Hi Emma, I'm good, thank you. How are you? Emma: I'm fine, thanks. Where are you going? Lily: I'm going to the library. Do you want to join me? Emma: Sure. Are you studying for an exam? Lily: Yes, I have an exam next week. What about you? Emma: I have one too. What subject is your exam? Lily: It's math. And yours? Emma: Mine is English. Do you like math? Lily: Yes, but it's hard sometimes. Do you like English? Emma: Yes, I enjoy it. What time do you start studying? Lily: Usually at 5 p.m. When do you study? Emma: I study in the morning. Do you like studying alone? Lily: Yes, it's quiet. What about you? Emma: I prefer studying with friends. Do you drink coffee when you study? Lily: Yes, it helps me stay awake. Do you drink coffee too? Emma: Sometimes. What do you like to do after studying? Lily: I like to watch a movie. What about you? Emma: I like to go for a walk. Do you live near the college? Lily: Yes, I live on campus. Do you? Emma: No, I live with my family. How do you come to college? Lily: I walk. How do you come? Emma: I take the bus. Do you like college life? Lily: Yes, it's fun. Do you like it? Emma: Yes, I like meeting new people. Do you have any hobbies? Lily: Yes, I like reading. Do you have any hobbies? Emma: I like playing football. Do you play any sports? Lily: Yes, I play basketball. Emma: That's cool. Do you go to the gym? Lily: Sometimes. Do you? Emma: Yes, twice a week. What's your favorite food? Lily: I love pizza. What about you? Emma: I like pasta. Do you cook? Lily: Sometimes, but only easy dishes. Do you cook? Emma: A little. I usually make breakfast. Do you like music? Lily: Yes, I love it. What kind of music do you like? Emma: I like pop music. Do you like to dance? Lily: Not much. Do you? Emma: Yes, it's fun. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Lily: Yes, I have one brother. Do you? Emma: I have a sister. What does your brother do? Lily: He's a student too. What does your sister do? Emma: She works in a bank. Do you go home often? Lily: Yes, every weekend. Do you? Emma: Not very often, only during holidays. Do you have plans for the weekend? Lily: I'm going to study. What about you? Emma: I might go to the mall. Do you like shopping? Lily: Yes, sometimes. Do you? Emma: Yes, I do. Okay, let's go to the library now. Lily: Yes, let's go. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this conversation practice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you want more videos like this. See you next time.